Welcome back to another video, where we delve into the fascinating world of materials science. Today, we're exploring the essential heat treatment processes used to alter the properties of metals, specifically annealing, tempering, hardening, and normalizing. Each of these processes plays a crucial role in shaping the characteristics of materials we use every day. Let's take a closer look. First up is annealing. This process is all about making metals softer and more ductile while relieving internal stresses. During annealing, the metal is heated to a temperature range between 700 to 900 degrees Celsius, that's 1292 to 1652 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches this temperature, it's held there for a while and then cooled slowly in the furnace. The outcome? A softer material with improved ductility, making it easier to work with and less likely to crack under stress. Moving on to tempering. Tempering is used to reduce the brittleness of a material and adjust its hardness to a more balanced state. The metal is heated to a range between 150 and 700 degrees Celsius, or 302 to 1292 degrees Fahrenheit. After reaching the desired temperature, the metal is held for some time and then cooled in the air. This process is especially important after hardening, as it helps achieve tougher materials that aren't as brittle, making them more reliable in applications where both hardness and toughness are needed. Now, let's talk about hardening. If you need to increase the hardness and strength of a metal, hardening is the way to go. The metal is heated to a higher temperature, typically between 800 and 900 degrees Celsius, or 1472 to 1652 degrees Fahrenheit. After heating, it's rapidly cooled, a process known as quenching, in water or oil. This sudden cooling locks in a harder structure, but it can make the metal more brittle. So, while you get a harder and stronger material, it might need further treatment to reduce brittleness. Normalizing is another crucial process, aimed at refining the grain structure of the metal and improving its mechanical properties. In normalizing, the metal is heated to a temperature range between 750 and 980 degrees Celsius, or 1382 to 1796 degrees Fahrenheit. It's then cooled in the air. This process results in a uniform grain structure, which enhances the metal's mechanical properties, making it more consistent and reliable for various applications. To recap, annealing softens the metal and reduces internal stresses. Tempering adjusts hardness and reduces brittleness. Hardening increases hardness and strength, but can make the material brittle. Normalizing refines the grain structure for improved mechanical properties. Quenching rapidly cools the metal to lock in a hard structure, often requiring tempering afterward. Each of these processes serves a specific purpose, allowing us to tailor the properties of metals for a wide range of applications. Whether it's making a metal more ductile, harder, or tougher, heat treatment is key to getting the right characteristics. That's all for today's episode on heat treatment processes. I hope you found this exploration as enlightening as I did. Stay tuned for more in our next episode, where we'll continue our journey.